Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's tutorial episode, we're going to help you learn how to change your mobile number on Amazon account. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open your web browser first and then sign into your Amazon account. Type in www.amazon.com and then press the enter on your keyboard. From the official website of Amazon, go and click on Hello Sign In Accounts and List option and you'll be able to see an expanded menu appearing. Click on Sign in order to log into your account and then enter your credentials in order to log into your account. Click Continue and on the next page enter your password for your account. Make sure to enter the correct password every time you log into your account. Once you're done, click on Sign In and you'll end up to the home screen of Amazon with your account. Now, go and click on the Account and List button at the upper right one more time and click on Account option. From your Account option, click on Login and Security. Right in the Mobile Phone Number option, click on the Edit button at the right corner and select your country code from the drop-down menu. On the next field, enter your new number you want to change to and then click on Continue. Now you'll receive a text verification on this number that you are trying to change to. Click on OK to receive it. Now enter the OTP that you received on your phone number and soon after you do that, click on Verify. Once you click on Verify, your phone number on your Amazon account will be changed. That is how you can easily change your phone number on your Amazon account, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.